Hello, traders. FX Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar yen monthly, it still looks to me like a big ABC correction. Now, looking at all yen pairs, a lot of the yen pairs really look like they need to continue going up. So, like I've been saying over the last few weeks, I really wouldn't be surprised if this does just keep on going up. But for now, I am definitely looking at this move up as a possible correction to this move down. And luckily, I'll be going long on sort of time frames in a way. So if it does just continue to drift up like that, it definitely is not going to bother me at all. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly is now where you can start to see the lower lows, lower highs for what I think is a 1. I still am looking at this as possibly being an ABC correction. So if it does make an impulsive turn and a break of structure at one of these last two fib levels, then I would definitely take that as the end of a wave 2 and an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, like I said, we are in a wave C right now, I believe, so if it just keeps on drifting up and it turns into a wave 3, it is definitely not going to bother me any because I'll just continue to look for longs until I get a break of structure for this trend. And if it is a wave 3, then it will never do that, and it'll just keep on trending up, telling me to just continue to look for longs the whole way up. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can actually start to see this trend right here, which is probably a wave C, but we could see it as a wave 3 if it just keeps on trending. But either way, I don't think it's over. But if it does bounce off one of these fib levels, make an impulsive move down, take out structure in a big way, then I would definitely take that as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend and a possible wave 2. But I definitely am not even going to think about going short until I see a big break of structure like that. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think we have another three-way pullback right here. It looks like we're trying to end another correction. We did break structure right there, but it did reject that structure, which is a good sign that it's probably just going to end up continuing the uptrend. So, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, the only thing I really care about is looking for longs at the end of any of these pullbacks, especially if they're three-way pullbacks, which I think this right here is an A. I think this is like an irregular A, B, C, or B, and I think this right here is a wave C. So I think with this break of structure we most recently had, this is probably the end of a correction, and it probably is going to end up continuing up. So if I do see any more pullbacks, any more three-way pullbacks especially, then I will take those as long opportunities for the continuation of this potential wave C or maybe a wave 3. Doesn't matter to me either way because I trade a wave C and a wave 3 exactly the same as wave 3 or wave C. So, like I said, it doesn't matter if it's a C or a 3. Either scenario, I'll just continue to look for longs the whole way up. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.